All right, we talked about the yelp, kind of the basis of all turkey language. And the next thing I want to talk about, there's a multitude of different vocalizations. Turkeys talk to each other, and one of the things that we have to remember as turkey hunters, we're out there talking to these gobblers and other hens. We're having a conversation. We're not just making noise. So let's talk about the cluck. A cluck is a common call. Turkeys make it all the time, and it's a single note in your mouth. You kind of just saying, like I pop my lips, going pop, pop, and just what that's saying is like, hey, I'm another turkey. I'm over here, giving away your location. A lot of times you hear people, hey, that sounds like an alarm putt. A turkey does have vocalization when they're nervous, something's wrong, that they'll putt. And basically, if you watch that turkey's body language, that's when you're going to know that if they're alarmed. If their head's straight up, they're popping their wings, they're telling you that something's not right. Don't ever be scared to hit that cluck. They're looking for other turkeys. Now, if you add a little more inflection into that cluck, you have a sound that is a spring turkey hunter's bread and butter, and that's cutting. When a hen is at her most excited point, she's either really desiring to be with a gobbler, it's mating season, or she's really mad and establishing that pecking order and showing dominance to another hen. Cutting is a go-to call, and if you're looking for a call to get a gobbler to respond, to get him cranked up, to get him excited, cutting is your go-to. And all you're doing is putting a little more airflow into it and just adding that inflection, that excitement. Practice is so important, muscle memory. You don't want to get your calls out of the refrigerator or freezer the night before turkey season. Practice on your way to work, your way home. Just don't drive your wife nuts at home. She'll run you out and throw all your turkey calls away. But get your calls out. Get familiar with them. When you put them in your mouth, you know the sound that's coming out when you hit the turkey woods this spring.